Good afternoon, students. We have started with chapter first, knowing our numbers. In chapter first, we have done the topics comparison of numbers, introducing 10,000 and 1 lakh, place value and face value, system of numerals. Today we'll be starting with the next topic, using Bodmas rule in large numbers and their application. Now we know four operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. Now when all these four operations or any of these two or three operations are in the same equation or in the same problem, we will study how to solve the problem. So we use Bodmas rule when two or more operations are given in a problem. This means, suppose if plus, minus, multiplication, division, if all these four are given in one single problem, then how we will be solving it. So there is a rule which is called as a Bodmas. Now this Bodmas, these alphabets, each alphabet have their full form. B says bracket. B means bracket. Now brackets are of different types. This is line bracket, this is called open bracket, this is called curl bracket, this is square bracket. So there are four types of brackets. For you, in your class, we will be doing only open bracket sums. We will not be studying this line bracket, curl bracket or square bracket. O means of or order. This is exponentials. We will be solving like 7 raised to 2, 8 raised to 3 or anything in square or cubes. Now this we will be studying in when you go to higher classes. So for your class we will not be studying operations or exponentials. D says division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, S is for subtraction. So here, using this Bodmas rule, we will be studying how to solve the problem if all the operations are in one problem. For example, if I see first problem, I am taking 2 plus 3 in a bracket plus 5 into 2. Now as per the rule of a Bodmas, bracket we have to solve first. So in this problem we see bracket, so whatever is there in the bracket we will try to solve it first. Now here we are having addition, that is 2 plus 3. So we will be solving the bracket first, that is 2 plus 3 is 5 and the remaining numbers we will keep as it is. So 5 plus 5 into 2. So this will remain as it is. Next, the next rule in the Bodmas says multiplication. Okay. So if you see in this equation or if you see in this problem, addition and multiplication, two operations are there. So among the two operations, which one will you solve first? So if you look in the Bodmas rule, multiplication comes before addition. So you will be solving multiplication part first and then you will add. So 5 into 2, that is 10. So we will write 5 as it is plus this 10. So to 5 plus 10 is, now it's only one operation. So 5 plus 10 is 15. So this will be your answer. I'll take one more example. Now here, if you see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When you have to solve many operations in one problem, we will be using the rule Bodmas. So in the Bodmas, we know that bracket will be solved first, but in this problem there is no bracket. So we will go to the next step. O, that is exponentials. there is no exponential. So we'll go to the next rule, that is division. Yes, division is there. So we will be solving this part first. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So other remaining part you will write as it is, that is 6 plus 3 minus 1 into. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you will write 4. So here if you see, there are 3 operations: plus, minus, multiply. Now plus, minus and multiplication. So as per the rule, which comes first? Multiplication comes first, then addition and subtraction. So we will be solving the multiplication part first. So 1 into, we will be writing 6 as it is, plus 3, this minus sign as it is. Now 1 into 4 is 4. So we will write this 4. Now addition and subtraction. So we will go first for addition. Here it says A, that is addition, and then we will be doing subtraction. So 6 plus 3 is 9. We keep this minus 4 as it is. Here it is only one operation, so we will be solving 9 minus 4 is 5. Now in your textbook we have one example. 343 divided by 49 plus 9823 minus 421 into 23. Now if you see here, division, addition, subtraction and multiplication. Again here if you see, there are 4 operations. So as per the Bodmas rule, we know that we will be doing bracket first, but there is no bracket. Then we will be doing exponentials, which is also not there. Then comes division. Division is there? Yes, there is a division sign here. So we will be solving this part first. So 343 divided by 49 is 7. So you write 7 here, and the remaining entire part you will write as it is. Now if you go to the next step, here if you see, we have 3 operations: addition, subtraction and multiplication. So in Bodmas we get multiplication first. So we will keep this 7 as it is, plus 9823 as it is, minus sign will come, and you will just solve the multiplication part. So 421 into 23, we get the answer 9683. Now we have addition and subtraction. So we will do addition first and then subtraction. So when you add 7 to this 9823, we get 9830. Subtract 9683 from that, we get the answer as 147. Similarly, we will be solving few examples from your textbook. Your example 10, a student multiply 6534 by 34 instead of multiplying it by 43. Okay, now here sometimes you must have observed in our class also, instead of multiplying this, we do sometime the numbers, we just interchange and we multiply or divide or add because of some error. So how much was her answer lesser than the correct answer? So the correct answer what she wants was 636534 into 34. This is what she wants. Okay, that means she wants this answer. But what she did? She multiplied, instead of 34 she multiplied by 43. So she get the answer this 2,80,962. So now we have to find out the difference. How much is the difference from these two numbers? So we subtracted and we found out the answer, which is what is the difference between the two numbers. Okay, we are comparing here. So in the question they ask how much was her answer lesser than the correct answer. So this is the number which she has interchanged by mistake. So from this we have subtracted this and we got the original answer. Here you will note that the first we did the multiplication followed by subtraction according to the Bodmas rule. So as per the Bodmas rule, what we did, first we multiplied and then we subtracted. The another method is, now here 6534 into, we have put a bracket and 43 minus 34. So first, it's per the Bodmas rule, what we will do, we will solve this brackets first. So 43 minus 34 will be 9. So this answer will be multiplied by 9 and we get answer directly. So this method is quite easy than this method. Okay, so here you will note that the first we solve brackets followed by multiplication according to the Bodmas rule. So the same problem we have solved with two methods. Here we did the multiplication and then subtraction. Here we put a bracket and then we multiplied. So here we solve the bracket first and then multiplication. Here we did the multiplication first and then subtraction. This problem I have already solved and shown you. One more example from your textbook. Example 12. A famous cricket player has scored 8,932 runs so far in a test match. He wishes to complete 15,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Now the cricketer wants to make how many runs? 15,000 runs. And how many he had done? He has already made 8,932 runs. So how many more he have to do? For that we have to subtract these two values, so we get the number of runs. Therefore the cricketer needs 6,068 runs more to achieve his target. So students, here if you see, we had done only the one operation is there and we had done only one operation directly. So students, now I hope you know how to solve the problems when there are more than one operation. Operation is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So if there are more number of operations, you should know which operation you will be solving first. So first we will be solving bracket, then exponentials, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Thank you students.